Hi guys, so this video is going to review chapters 1 and 2, otherwise known as Unit 1, in your Ready to Write textbook. So that way, when you have your test, you will be prepared. So all of the page numbers, like I said, are from this Ready to Write textbook, and we will be going over chapter 1, which is talking about organization, and chapter 2, which is talking about the parts of the paragraph. So if you are ready to get an A on your test, go on ahead and keep watching. Alright, so to start in chapter 1, the important pieces of information you need to be concerned about is, first of all, organizing those information in groups, just like we talked about in class, where I give you a certain number of items and I want you to tell me which of these are relevant, which of these are not relevant. The next thing you need to be concerned about is deleting irrelevant information. And we talked about irrelevancy literally means does not belong. So getting out all of that information that does not belong, being able to look at a list of information and say, that is different, that does not belong. So that's something you're going to be asked to do, as well as the grammar guide on page 8 of your book. It's talking about those 5 different rules of capitalization and punctuation. As far as chapter 2 goes, you will be asked different definitions for common terms that we have talked about this past few weeks. So topic sentences, supporting sentences, concluding sentences, knowing what a topic and a controlling idea is, as well as a paragraph. These definitions can be found in your notes on the PowerPoints, also on page 10, 12, 16, and 17 of your book. You will also be asked about the grammar guide over compound sentences. This will be on page 24 of your book, as well as the Educanon video that we watched. I will link it below in the description bar, but it will also be available on our Schoology page. So remembering those fanboys, for and nor, but, or, yet, so, and also remembering that all of these fanboys are also known as coordinating conjunctions, and we use coordinating conjunctions and a comma to completely join those two sentences together. So in closing, what to expect on this exam: asked to identify the definitions from chapter 2 and chapter 1. You will be asked to identify the paragraph parts. So I'm going to link to the YouTube video of paragraph parts below, so you can re-watch that, as well as look at those specific pages in chapter 2 that I have already mentioned. You will also be asked to organize information. So like I said, putting together a list of items that have something similar and being able to write a topic. Deleting those irrelevant ideas. So if I give you a list of ideas and I ask you to delete one, being able to look at that list of items and saying which one does not belong and saying to delete. That is also important. Also on this exam, you will be asked to write a paragraph using those 3 different types of sentences. So you will need to know how to write a topic sentence, several supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. To review that, I would suggest looking at chapter 2, and I'm going to put those page numbers in the description bar below, as well as in an annotation here. So I hope you guys have excellent luck, and I will see you tomorrow or the next day ready to take this exam. Bye.